By replacing the damaged spark plug, you can easily fix the P0430 error code by yourself. It means your catalyst system. Efficiency is below the threshold near engine bank 2, which indicates that the catalytic converter is not functioning efficiently, so the vehicle is increasing the output of harmful pollutants. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty catalytic converter. Malfunctioning downstream oxygen sensor on bank 2. Exhaust leaks. Damaged wiring related to the oxygen sensors. Issues with the air-fuel mixture. This video is going to show you a practical solution to fix this error code at home. The spark plugs are located at the engine end of the wires under the plug covers that attach them. First, carefully remove the spark plug. Use the spark plug gapper to check the spacing of this spark plug. Normally, spacing should be between 0.024 to 0.071 inches. As you see, the spacing of this spark plug is a bit low. Use the spark plug gapper to increase the spacing back to the normal range. But if you see there is obvious damage on the spark plug, just simply replace it with a new one. This engine code appears in Ford, Honda, Chevrolet, Nissan, Dodge, Toyota, and many other vehicles. So here are the most practical solutions to fix P0430 error code. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe us for more updates. Thanks for watching.